Hi, everyone. Welcome to the second week. Well, kind of in the middle of your second week of class. Just wanted to put out a quick announcement to say hi. Read everybody's food introductions, gave you points for that. So you can certainly, take a look. I made comments on everybody's posts. Um, So one thing, a lot of people had in common, of course, everybody hates writing classes by and large. Everyone's intimidated by writing. Certainly right now, a lot of people intimidated by online classes because this isn't your first choice. Wouldn't be your first choice normally. Wouldn't be my first choice normally either. I like face-to-face classes. But this is what we have to deal with. And so just, remember that teachers and students, we're all in the same boat as far as, most of us are new to the online arena. And so we're learning and you're learning. And, again, I'm not going to, I'm not going to hate you if you don't do something correctly or if you're a little late. You can just, let me know things and I'll work with you on it. So, first thing, for discussions. So make sure, right, all discussions you're going to have an original post of your response, and then you're going to have replies, right? At least two replies to classmates. So make sure you get your original post and those replies so you get full points for the discussion. You're welcome to go back to the food introductions and add replies. I haven't given people grades who don't have everything complete, so you're welcome to go back and add those replies so you can get the full points. If you don't, I'll give you partial points, okay, as the rubric shows. For the lobster, right, consider the lobster discussion this week, due tonight, or please remember that, right? Original post, responses. Also with the consider the lobster discussion and most of our discussions around our text we're reading, I'm going to ask you to put quotations in, usually 2 quotations. So I'm looking for a fairly thorough original post. I do, have a minimum word count, which isn't a lot, but also for the replies. But I am looking for nice, thorough, thoughtful replies. So generally, if you're only doing a sentence or 2, you're probably not going to get full points. Try to be insightful and thorough and have a nice, thoughtful response to your classmates. Okay? But remember with the Consider the Lobster discussion, 2 quotations in your original post from the Consider the Lobster essay from that text. Food introductions were nice to read, nice to meet all of you. Some dishes that, I'm not familiar with that some of you talked about, and so now I have got, new dishes I have to seek out or try to make. So thank you. It also, of course, made me hungry. And then the last thing I want to say today there have been a couple technical issues. When I copy like a module from another class, it often will kind of make 2 copies, and so I've had to go through and delete. But I've had a couple incidents where I missed a copy to delete. I'm changing the settings to take off the navigation links to pages, assignments, quizzes, and discussions, so you have to go through the modules. So I'm going to do that just to help you out, so you go through the modules in order, and you do everything on there, okay? And I think that's it for today. Hope everyone's doing well. Again, if there's any comments, concerns, questions, please let me know. I will be having, normal office hours normally. So next Tuesday, I'll have office hours through Zoom. I'm still working on that. They've had lots of technical difficulties so far at City College this semester. So it's a pretty, with all the other things, there's a lot of stress and things going on. But take care of yourself. Again, let me know if you have any questions. Bye-bye.